Space. Infinite. Silent. Unknown. A sea of stars. Galaxies without number. The visible universe. Only a fraction of what exists. Nebulas bloom like cosmic gardens. Black holes tear reality itself apart. Galaxies collide in slow-motion dances lasting billions of years. There are suns 1,000,000 times brighter than ours. And voids so empty, light itself takes billions of years to cross them. Everywhere, creation and destruction. Stars born, stars dying. Planets forming, planets ending. And beyond what we can see, more, always more. An endless infinity, stretching further than imagination can follow.